Good morning, students. Earlier we have discussed about the permanent fundamental tissues. Now today we will discuss permanent fundamental tissues, that is simple permanent tissues. Now we will discuss about the complex permanent tissues. They are made up of more than one type of cells. There are two types of complex tissues. They are xylem and phloem. They are called vascular or conducting tissues. Now first we will talk about xylem. It consists of tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. The tracheids and vessels help to transport water and minerals from roots to all parts of the plant. Xylem parenchyma stores food and fibers and they help in the support. So what are the functions? There are basically two main functions, that is they store food and the fibers which they help in the support. Now next we will talk about phloem. It consists of sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Now what are the functions of phloem? The sieve tubes and companion cells transport food from leaves to all parts of the plant. Then secondly, phloem parenchyma stores food and fibers and they also help in support. Now next we will talk about animal tissues. Animal tissues are of four main types. They are epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue. Now let us have a look. What are these? Epithelial tissues, they are of different types. For example, squamous, columnar, cuboidal, glandular, etc. Next we have muscular tissues. They are of three types: striated, unstriated and cardiac. Then next we have connective tissues. They are of different types. They are blood, bone, ligaments, tendons, cartilage, areolar, adipose, etc. Next we have nervous tissue. It consists of nervous cells called neurons that we will discuss later on in the next class. Now here we can see the classification of animal tissues: epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue. And this we have discussed right now only. Now epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue, we will take it up in the next class. Bye bye.